What is Tensorart and what's it for? Well, as you can see, Tensorart is an AI that basically lets us create images and even videos entirely online through their website. It offers tons of options like using their models to generate images plus various workflows and AI image styles you can play with. Let's explore all the options in Tensorart and how we can use its features easily, okay? First, on the left sidebar, we have Home Models, which I'll show you, including LoRa models, apps, posts, workflows, top rankings, and channels for generating images or videos. Some models even create videos, like version 1. 2.1, you can click on any of these to see what each section offers. First, let's look at the models section, where you'll find all the models, including those with LoRa. So, what does this mean? For those unfamiliar, LoRa is essentially a model trained on specific images. This allows it to generate images in a particular style or manner. As you can see, I've trained them with these. Okay, so you can use this LoRa to generate your images, alright? Everything's pre-trained within the app itself. If you want to make your own LoRa, check out FluxJim's video. Next is the apps section, showing AI's uses in specific cases. As you can see, the latest releases are shown first, okay? And then the apps section with tools like Anime, and quick tools too. Here we have guide drafts, background removal, image enlarging, and more. Next is the publication section, showing all the posts and updates they've made. Then there's the workflow section, with different job workflows and nodes. This lets you generate images more specifically just as you want. After that, you'll find rankings of the top creators. These are more app features like the anime and portrait sections I mentioned. Tensorart also has a search bar to find exactly what you want to do. There's also a create section with options like classic flow mode and real-time generation. This part is up to you to explore. Lastly, you can upgrade to Pro, join their Discord, and a bit more. These are all the features this program offers. As you can see, it's comprehensive for easily creating AI images with Tensor AI.